Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can revolutionize your drink experience, the Aeitto Ice Maker. We discovered this fantastic ice making machine online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aeitto Ice Maker? It's a countertop ice machine designed to provide you with perfectly shaped bullet ice in just 6 minutes. Whether you're making morning smoothies, afternoon iced coffees, or evening cocktails, this compact device is here to ensure you never have to wait for ice again. With an impressive output of 26 pounds of ice per day, it's perfect for keeping your drinks refreshingly cool at any time of day. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this ice maker. First and foremost, the speed. In just 6 minutes, you can enjoy your first batch of ice cubes, which is a game changer if you're hosting guests or need ice on short notice. Plus, it offers 2 different ice size options. You can choose large ice cubes for cooling down larger beverages like sodas and iced teas, or opt for smaller cubes that melt more slowly, making them ideal for sipping whiskey or crafting cocktails that need a balanced flavor. Another great feature is the automatic self-cleaning function. Keeping your ice tasting fresh is essential, and this machine makes maintenance incredibly easy. With just a press and hold of the on/off button for 5 seconds, you can initiate a cleaning cycle. This means less hassle for you and more time to enjoy your favorite drinks without worrying about the machine's cleanliness. The Aeitto Ice Maker also boasts a compact and portable design. Measuring 11.9 inches deep, 7.3 inches wide, and 10.8 inches high, it fits seamlessly on countertops, office desks, or even in your RV. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, you can move it easily from one location to another, making it a great addition for parties, gatherings, or just for daily home use. Now, who is this ice maker suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who loves cold beverages, whether you're a casual drinker or someone who enjoys hosting friends and family. If you often find yourself in need of ice for cocktails, smoothies, or any other chilled drinks, this machine is a must-have. It's also great for offices where employees appreciate having a cold drink at their fingertips throughout the day. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine throwing a summer barbecue. The last thing you want is to run out of ice while serving up drinks. With the Aeitto Ice Maker, you can keep a steady supply of ice flowing, ensuring your guests are always refreshed. Or picture yourself enjoying a cozy movie night at home with a chilled drink in hand. This ice maker can have your ice ready without the wait, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your time. In conclusion, the Aeitto Ice Maker is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly countertop machine that will take your drink game to the next level. With fast ice production, a compact design, and convenient features like self-cleaning, it's a worthy addition to any home, office, or gathering space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.